Hello everyone, welcome all to Physics with Agnotex. So in this session we will discuss about some previous year DOT physics question. So let's begin. And here is the first question of the session, that is a 3D isotropic harmonic oscillator has energy levels En1, N2, N3 is equal to h cross omega N1 plus N2 plus N3 plus 3 by 2, where N1, N2, N3 is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so on. The number of microstates corresponding to the energy E is equal to 7 by 2 h cross omega each. And the options are 6, 3, 4 and 8. So let's see what will be its answer. It has been given in the question that n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus 3 by 2 h cross omega is equal to 7 by 2 h cross omega. So here we can write it as n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus 3 by 2 is equal to 7 by 2. So by solving this we can find that n1 plus n2 plus n3 is equal to 2. So the possible microstates are n1, n2, n3, that is 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 2 and 0, 2, 0. So these are the possible combinations or possible microstates for this corresponding energy. So the answer will be 6. Here is the next question, that is what will be the solution of the following differential equation? And the differential equation given as sin x dy by dx plus cos x y is equal to x square. And here the boundary condition given as y of 0 is equal to 1. And the options are x cube by 3 sin x, x cube sin x by 3, x cube cos x by 3 and x cube by 3 cos x. So let's see. In the question it has been given that sin x dy by dx plus cos x y is equal to x square. We can write it as dy by dx plus cos x by sin x y is equal to x square by sin x. Again we know that cos x by sin x is equal to cot x. So here we can write it as dy by dx plus cot x y is equal to x square by sin x. And here we can see it as the linear differential equation. So here we can take cot x h p and x square by sin x h q. So the integral factor will be e to the power integration over p dx, that is e to the power integration over cot x dx. Again we know that the integration of cot x is ln sin x. So the integrating factor will be e to the power ln sin x is equal to sin x. And the solution will be y into integrating factor is equal to integrating factor into q whole integration. So by putting the value of integrating factor we can find that y into sin x is equal to integration over sin x into x square by sin x dx. And here it will be y into sin x is equal to integration over x square dx. Again we know that the integration of x square will be x cube by 3 and the integration constant is c. And here we have given that the boundary condition y of 0 is equal to 1. So when x equal to 0, y will be 1. So putting this boundary condition in this equation we can find that c will be 0. So the solution will be y is equal to x cube by 3 sin x. So the answer will be y is equal to x cube by 3 sin x. Then here is the next question. What is the series expansion and region of the convergence of the function f of z is equal to 1 by z plus 1 about z0 is equal to 1 by 2. And here are the options you can see. And the answer will be f of z is equal to 2 by 3 summation over 0 to infinity minus 2 by 3 z minus 1 by 2 whole to the power n, and z minus 1 by 2 will be less than 3 by 2. Then here is the next question. Evaluate the integral I is equal to integration over 0 to 2 pi d theta by 2 plus cos theta. And the options are 2 pi root 3 by 3, 0, 2 pi root 3 by 2 and pi root 3 by 2. The integration given as I is equal to integration over 0 to 2 pi d theta by 2 plus cos theta. So here we can write it as d theta by 1 plus cos theta. Again we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So we can write it as 0 to 2 pi d theta by 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2, because here our 2 theta value is theta. So here we can write it theta value as theta by 2. So by proceeding the next step, we can find it as integration over 0 to 2 pi sec square theta by 2 divided by 3 plus tan square theta by 2 d theta. Again take tan theta by 2 as t. We can find this relation, that is integration over 2 dt by t square plus 3. So this is in the form t square plus a square, that is 1 by t square plus a square. And again we know the formula of integration over 1 by t square plus a square is equal to 1 by a tan inverse t by a. So by putting this by solving it, we can find that 2 into 1 by root 3 tan inverse t by root 3. Again the t value, by putting the t value, we can find that 2 by root 3 tan inverse tan theta by 2 by root 3. Put the limit 0 to 2 pi and we will find it as 2 by root 3 tan inverse 0. And it will be 2 pi by root 3. So here we can write it as 2 pi root 3 by 3 just to match our options. And the answer will be 2 pi root 3 by 3. And here is the last question of this session, that is, what is the expectation value of the linear momentum squared, that is expectation value of a px square for the wave function psi of x is equal to root k e to the power minus k mod x, and here k being a real constant. And the options are h cot square by k square minus h cot square by k square, 2 h cot square by k square, and minus 2 h cot square by k square. So let's see. In the question, it has been given that psi of x is equal to root k e to the power minus k mod of x. Again, we know that the expectation value of f of x or a function is given as integration over psi star f of x psi dx whole divided by integration over psi star psi dx. So to find the expectation value of px square, we can write it as integration over root k e to the power minus kx px square root k e to the power minus kx dx whole divided by integration over root k e to the power minus kx root k e to the power minus kx dx. And again we know that the p value is I h cot d by dx. So the p square will be minus h cot square d square by dx square. So by solving it, we can find that the expectation value of px square will be minus h cot square k square. I hope you all enjoyed this session. So for more, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.